In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register in WP Engine. This guide will walk you through the registration process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to get started seamlessly with one of the most popular managed WordPress hosting platforms available. First, we'll begin by directing our browsers to wpengine.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a user-friendly design that's meant to help you find the information you need quickly. Now, the next thing you want to do is look for the Sign Up button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked Sign Up, you'll be taken to a page showing different plans and packages. WP Engine offers a variety of plans tailored for different needs. Take a moment to browse through these options and select a plan that best suits your needs and budget. After you've decided on the plan, you'll be asked to enter some straightforward details. This will include your email address, a secure password for your new account, and your billing information. Remember, ensuring your email is accurate is crucial. It's not just for receiving purchase confirmations, but also for any future communications you might have with WP Engine. Also, when deciding on a password, make sure it's unique and strong to secure your account effectively. Once your details are completely and accurately filled in, take a moment to review the information you've entered. Reviewing your selected plan and the entered details helps avoid any unnecessary disagreements or surprises down the line. After ensuring everything is in order, go ahead and click on Complete Purchase. At this point, you'll receive an email from WP Engine to verify your account. This step is crucial as it confirms that the email address associated with your account is valid. Look out for this verification email in your inbox, and once you find it, click on the link provided. This simple action confirms your email addresses and allows you access to your account. Finally, navigate to my.wpengine.com and use your email and password to log in. Congratulations, you are now officially registered and logged into WP Engine. You now have access to your account where you can begin managing your WordPress sites, enabling you to take full advantage of all the powerful features WP Engine offers. With this registration process completed, you're now ready to explore all the benefits and services available with your WP Engine account. Remember, should you encounter any issues or have questions, their support team is just a click away, ready to assist you at any point. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Enjoy using WP Engine.